What's up, guys? So got another video update. I'm going to do an install of a new product I'm excited to partner with called Worksports. They have a hard top, low profile tonneau cover that's made with hard grade aluminum. We'll take a good look at it. I'm gonna put it on the boss right behind me in just a second. I'll show you the box real quick. This item is manufactured in the USA, so I'm pretty excited about it. But here's the box we can go ahead and put together, and install shouldn't take more than 10 minutes, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up, do an open box, let you look at that, and then we'll get it installed. All right, guys, so go ahead and open this up. So really just, it's very well packaged so far. Let me pop it open. All right, there you go. So real quick, look at that. So here's the parts to it. Let me go ahead and unbox it and roll it out and take a good look at this. All right, guys, I got everything opened up now. As you see, there's the aluminum panels we just went through. Just awesome quality. Really, take a look at this, guys. Matte black finish. The aluminum on the sides is just impressive. So here's what comes in the box, everything in it. So you have these, this foam, which is step one. I'll go through all 8 steps to install with you. These 2 brackets of these. It does come with the tool you need to tighten everything up. 2 of these, and then 2 of these. I've actually grabbed a hold of a microfiber cloth and some alcohol because step 1's going to need that. So let me go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do is fold these back up so I can carry it up on the truck at one piece, but we're going to start with the foam piece here. So, all right, guys, now I'm up here on top of the truck. So step 1, really, guys, what we're going to do is I'm going to take my isopropyl alcohol, spray this down. This is where the roll of foam is going. Get it real good and wet. I'm going to take my microfiber cloth and just wipe it down. Once it dries, we'll start off with the install. Look at that. I'll probably do it a second round, just get it clean. All right, guys, it looks like it's pretty dry. So go ahead and get installed with this here. We'll start with this in here. The plan is just see, it kind of levels that out, see? So peel that back and then run it straight across here. Basically peeled back about 10 inches at a time and then just laid it down, put pressure on it, kept working my way down. These, they're called striker badges with C-clamps on the side. You're gonna put these on the rear of your truck, 7.76 inches from your tailgate. So close your tailgate, measure it up. You may need to loosen these first. .76 inches from here to there. All right, guys, with somebody else, try to grab the top and put it on your truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and climb inside it, move it around. All right, guys, so real quick, so the reason why you want these pretty much, I'm gonna call it 7 3/4 back, is because that's where you're latched. You can see in there, it kind of lines up. All right, guys, step 5 and 6 pretty much is all adjustments. So first off, you want it lined up in the back, kind of where you want it, and then to the front where you want it. So I was pretty pleased how this sets up. Right, and look up. I got to tighten this part up, which I'll show you how to do that. But we're going to go ahead and get it the front mounted where you want it. So these things here, get this little hook on them. So what you're basically going to do is underneath the final panel, you see a little cutout there. You're going to take this piece here. It's actually gonna stuff up in here and slide over. All right, so you get that, slide it down, and then grab the other one, Alright, so let's go back to this one underneath there. What you want to do, slide it down here, and that's where you're going to tighten it up so it locks down to your truck. So notice, guys, how this tonneau cover does not have a track. That's actually very awesome. Think about how much space it's saving as far as cargo room. Alright, got it locked down, hit the other side. Same thing, bro. Alright, so now it's locked into place. Here's your straps if you want to haul it with these tops down, for example. Both sides here. It goes in play. Use them. We're going to take them out because we're about to fold it back under. Alright. So with those, if you get those tied down, you shouldn't have any problems with it sliding around. So now, see how that should line right up with the match. Alright guys, let me show you this final step as close as I can. So up here, so if you take your screwdriver, see that this thing here will slide back and forth. If you loosen it up, you get one screw here and then one here, which I've already loosened up. Let's see this here, you don't want that to hit this. You need to just slide just a bit back. So see how it just lines up? You don't want it too close, that way it doesn't smack. But you want it where it's snug. It won't pry open. This thing, with it being this hard aluminum like that, that's a great security feature. So I'm going to tighten this up there. See if I can, just one hand. So your screwdriver goes up here. Start this side here. Just loosen it up. A couple of spins. Alright, so should let me, yeah, see how freely it just slides back, and then I want that not touching, but a little bit of room there, but enough to get a good grab on that. Just tighten it down. Real quick, if you see this where it rattles, I'm going to show you how to fix that real quick. This handle is so easy to pull. Check it out, guys. Piece of cake, you flip it back. So look at this piece here, these 10 millimeters, okay? This is what the lock lines up to. So we need to lower that down, probably, I don't know, not quite a 1/4 inch. We lower that down, it'll give a snug fit. So I've got a 10 millimeter, and I'm gonna go ahead and loosen those up so I can drop them down a little bit. So, what do I mean by that? So it's very simple. You get it where you want it and just tighten them back. Again, it's 10 millimeter. I'm going to probably try right here to see if that's snug. We'll do a couple test fits. All right, I adjusted this side. We'll do the next side. Let's go ahead and pull it down to see how that works or how well that fits. This thing's such, look at that. See how, I nailed it. Look at that, guys. First time around. All right, guys, I got both sides adjusted. So let's see how well it comes down. All right, guys, let's see how easy this comes down and see if it locks in place the first time around. Let's look. Look at that. So, close the gate. Guys, that's great security. So think about how simple this install was, and then go up and just look at this. Just look at the workmanship. Look at that. Look at this workmanship. Look at that. The top here, it's aluminum. Look at that. Solid, firm. Low profile. You take a look at it, stand back and look at it. It's not intrusive. Just looks great. And I like the matte color. Like for me, if you look back my window, I got my dad's dedication there, and the truck group I'm in. Basically, it just complements it perfectly. So I just think for any vehicle, any truck out there, it's gonna look great. The small brackets that you guys see me install take up very little room in the cab. If you use the discount code AL3 Pro, you can save up to 190 bucks on this thing. So just a great deal out there. Highly recommend it. Glad to have it on my truck. Looking forward to other great things that Worksport's going to have coming out. Keep it close on them. I think they got a solar panel tonneau cover coming. So take a look at it, guys. I just think it looks awesome. Thanks again for subscribing. Thanks again for following along. Please drop some comments down below. Like, subscribe, and have a great day.